Welcome to Sky Quiz, where the cosmos meets creatures. Get ready for a stellar journey as we soar through the stars and guess the animal by its skin. Ready for this cosmic challenge? Subscribe and let's dive in. Identify the animal by its skin. Cheetah, did you get that? Elephant, next challenge. Seal. What animal does this skin belong to? Koala, did you get that? Gorilla, next challenge. Alligator. Wow, this is very confusing. Zebra, you should be getting this right. Identify this animal, share your scores, and stand a chance to win a gift. Leopard. Pangolin, next challenge. Recognize this animal's skin. Dolphin, did you get that? Chinchilla. Kangaroo. Hippopotamus. Which animal does this skin belong to? Camel, next challenge. Tapir, subscribe and share your scores. Tiger, did you get that? Orangutan. Wildebeest. Iguana. Fox, what is your score so far? Bison. Jaguar. Identify the animal by its skin. Rhino. Panda. Sloth, did you get it? Can you identify this animal by its skin? Echidna, do you know this animal? Llama. Yak, you're almost at the end of the challenge. Horse. Recognize this animal's skin. Bear. That's a wrap on Sky Quiz. If you loved the Cosmic Challenge, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more celestial fun. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.